Hello. Mild and cloudy sums up the weather for most places today. The view from space shows quite a lot of cloud around and also some outbreaks of rain. It's been a wet morning across northwest Scotland, and we've also seen some lighter rain across parts of northwest England and patchy rain too for Wales and southwest England also. We'll keep some rain and drizzle here and there over the hills of western England and Wales, and heavy rain continues across northwest Scotland, where it's also looking pretty blustery. For many, though, it will be dry and fairly cloudy, some breaks in the cloud across parts of the east. So we will keep some of that light rain and drizzle across parts of western England and Wales, mostly over the hills. Heavier rain continues across northwest Scotland, where it's also going to be turning increasingly windy. But most places dry, some brightness across parts of the east, but overall predominantly cloudy. It will be mild, with temperatures getting up to double figures quite widely, and maybe in the south 12 or perhaps even 13 Celsius. Quite gusty winds, though, developing, particularly through this afternoon and evening over parts of northeast England and eastern and northern Scotland. Could get some very strong gusts, at least for a time, through the nighttime period. At the same time, the rain will trickle southwards, kind of easing off as it does so, turning a little damp through central and then southern Scotland, and a little rain at times through the early hours over Northern Ireland. Further south, it just stays dry and cloudy, and it will be very mild here. Temperatures in the south generally holding up at 7, 8, even 9 degrees Celsius. As the rain clears from northern Scotland, clearer skies here will allow it to turn a little colder. Temperatures more likely to be 2 or 3 degrees Celsius in some locations. The damp and drizzly conditions will be still around in the morning over the far northwest of England, Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland. That rain just pushes back northwards through the day. Nothing heavy, not as heavy as today for sure. And easing off over northwest England. Further south, most places dry and a brighter day, perhaps for parts of Wales, particularly to the east of the hills and southwest England. We should see some sunny spells coming through. But again, the majority just dry and cloudy, and the winds will be lighter tomorrow as well, and temperatures perhaps a touch higher, so still very mild. We're starting off at 8 or 9, so we're easy to get to 10, 11, 12, maybe 13, perhaps even 14, with a bit of sunshine across parts of the south during Friday afternoon. Through Friday evening, that rain is moving its way slowly over the Northern Isles. Again, some drizzle here and there over hills in the west, chiefly over the Highlands and the Western Isles, where it'll stay fairly blustery. But elsewhere, light winds, cloudy skies and fairly mild conditions as we head into the weekend. The weekend looking dry for the majority. Will be some rain crossing Scotland and Northern Ireland on Saturday. Some good spells of sunshine, especially so on Sunday. And by Sunday, it will just be a little bit colder. More details on the weekend forecast with our full YouTube version of that. That'll be available by Thursday afternoon. So hit subscribe and then you won't miss it.